What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thanks again for watching. This time we've got a 1967 Mustang Fastback S code 390 GT 4-speed. It's a real GT factory 390 factory 4-speed car. Acapulco Blue, and it is a very beautiful car. Really nice and straight body. Paint on the car is really nice. It's got the GT gas cap. Styled steel wheels. They made one addition. They put a hood scoop on. For anybody that's interested, you could leave it the way it is, or I do have a factory turn signal hood for the car. Very nice car. Take a look at the interior. It's a standard interior car. Got nice clean door jambs. Beautiful steering wheel. It's a factory 6K tack gauge car. It does have an aftermarket radio and some aftermarket gauges, as you can see. Hurst shifter. Steering wheel looks brand new. Seats are all in great condition. Back seat is a rear non-fold down. It's also in great shape. Headliner's in great shape. Doors shut nice. Car's got great gaps. Acapulco Blue is one of my favorite colors. Looks great with the white GT rocker stripes. There's a copy of the original window sticker. All the dash trim's in excellent condition. This door panel's in great shape. Just a really beautiful car. Doors shut nice and easy. Oh yeah, let's pop the hood. Nicely detailed engine bay, GT fog light grille, original air cleaner, valve covers. It does have an aftermarket brake booster and master cylinder that's chrome. It's got the VIN here, and it's double stamped, verified all that. Car also has the buck tag. Original buck tag is right here. Just a really nice car. Let's start it up. Starts right up. 1967 S code 390 GT 4-speed Acapulco Blue car.